Good afternoon all. I just wanted to do one more video this afternoon, just about something I received in the mail a couple of days ago. And yeah, it's another Victorinox Swiss Army knife, but it's something special. It's from Swiss Bianco, and it's a limited edition Alox copper bushcrafter. Look at those scales. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? There's an engraving plate on the back, the red shield, split ring, of course, Alox scales, a unique tool set. The saw, look at those teeth. It has the large blade, which is still quite a bit chunkier than your standard Swiss Army knife, such as my trusty Mountaineer, which I will show you in a sec. It has the awl, which again is quite a bit different to the standard awl. I'll show you that as well. So again, it's the bushcrafter, designed specifically for bushcraft, with the, I guess, in some ways limited tool set, but then if you're out in the bush, what more do you need for bushcraft than this knife? Here's the standard blade. That's Cuba going mad out the back. Can you guys see that? It's quite a bit wider, quite a bit longer, and quite a bit thicker. See, again, I don't know, I've got to get a better camera. But yeah, an awesome knife. I'm really happy to own one of these. I think there is only 100 of these produced, so I don't know how many of these are actually in Australia, but happy to own one. Really happy to own one. Again, those scales, guys. Alright, well, you guys have a great weekend. Yeah, talk to you soon.